Hi, I'm Greg with German-Bliss Equipment in Princeville and East Peoria, Illinois, your Kubota superstore. I want to talk today about the Kubota Standard L series of tractors. This is a very popular tractor with a range from 25 horse to 39 horsepower. And it's one of those things where the tractors look very much the same and they actually do some of the same work, but depending upon what your job is, what that specialty thing that you want to do, will depend on what tractor you decide on. And today we'll talk about those important points. As I stand between these two tractors, you'll see much similarity. Why? Well, it's the same frame. A 25 horse and an L39, which is a 39 horsepower. So what's the difference? Well, horsepower at the engine and horsepower at the power takeoff are different. So what does that mean? Well, engine horsepower is simply when the engine is not under a load of any kind, what's the maximum level of horsepower it can create. But for you as an end user, what you really care about is what's the horsepower that gets to the ground? What propels that loader forward? What propels that rotary cutter or third point implement to drive through more difficult conditions? Well, obviously, the higher the horsepower, the higher your rear power takeoff horsepower will be also. The 25 horse comes in around about 19 horsepower at the PTO. Handles a 5-foot mower very well, 58-inch tiller handles extremely well, post hole digger, just a whole slew of 3-point implements. 39 horse comes in around 32, 33 horsepower at the PTO. Again, a big difference between the 25 horse and the 39 horse at the power takeoff. Why would I need it? Well, let's just say as you're going into doing dozer work with your loader, going into that pile, it's great to have extra horsepower at the engine, which transmits down to the wheels to drive into that pile of dirt and to break it loose. At the same time, the loaders, you'll notice the models are the same. They both use the LA525 loader. So what that means is that the lifting capacity is the same for both of these machines, at the loader and at the 3-point hitch. So either machine can pick up the same amount of weight. Depends on the power takeoff horsepower to what kind of work you can do with it. With 3 choices of a 25 horse, 33 horse, or a 39 horse, the Standard L has been by far the most popular series of tractor that we've sold over the last 5 years. Customers say, well, which one do I need? And a simple way to decide that is what the jobs are that you have for it.